Welcome back to Ruben's channel. This video is about Adventure Park in Ooty. This is the grand adventure activities. It's pretty hard, okay? This was like maybe I don't know when it's on September. I think it was 20. Yeah, I think it was 20. And this is a coming up mode. Like we literally have to hold the rope and go. So this is soft rope adventures that involve walking across and crossing rope back. And this is number 1. No, this is number 1. No, this is number 2. Number 2. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Anyways, if you're not seeing my other channel, which is Micromaster Game Zone, where all the game videos are posted, okay? No traveling videos, no videos like adventure videos, no special live videos, only games. So I might try to check that one out and subscribe, because yeah, I don't have subscribers on the channel. I do have some, but not very much. Like 1,000. I haven't yet gotten like 50 subscribers on that one. So yeah. So and the rope. Yeah, this one is very intense. Okay, you have a whole lot of rope, and it would have been more intense if the rope was there. Whoa, that would be better. And let's just getting on the task. Wow, I know it's pretty hard, okay? Like if it flips over, you have to flip it over, which didn't happen for me. But this is easy. And so we see, that's me. I have very nice shoes. And as you can see, I get on task. This was the hardest step for me, okay? This and the rope things, like some of the rope thingies, they were like the hardest. And this is like a whole park, but more dangerous. So, yeah. So, as you can see, still on the task. They're doing good. Taking the back, we're saying you're doing good, guys. Like that. Yeah. And I was there, they're doing good. You look stupid. We're like that. Me and we already finished. That's why. Now, this us. We're going for first. But we're slow. The first, like all these, really took like somewhat like an hour. You know. So that looks so long. And is this last one? That is not the last one. This is number 5. That's why we're number 2. And this is not us. Okay. You're doing good, guys. I'm stupid today. I like tell that all the time. I'll tell how you fall off from there, every day like that. And now this is that's me. Okay. This, we're like stepping on wooden boards, okay? Like how we did in Nilgiri in work. Yeah, this was really hard. Like not hard, but they had ropes like this, and not like last time. But this, I don't remember if it was like last bridge, but this I love it. And as you can see, this was the shortest. Like, yeah, I loved it. And Little Chase is going for the finals. And I'm still in the last part. I mean, not last. This is the 6th part. We're about to go to 7. This is me crossing the Grand Canyon right below us, while going on a bridge that's not sturdy like this. This is not my dream, and I really don't like this. I don't think that's a point. Okay, you see, you really don't fall off at this part. Like, this the easier. Like, if you move, you are definitely not falling off. Except, if you do fall off, this is going to be stuck there until like a zip line comes and takes it. Yeah. Okay, number 7. Okay, number 7. That's me. I'm still number 6. I just took a step to number 7. Okay, this is my age, and I'm literally crossing my age stage, because I'm 87, and this is 77th stage. Yeah. Yes, take a step and try. Oh, I see. We didn't do this at first. Now. Okay, see, this is number 7. What? Oh, that was still number 6. Okay, this is number 7. I don't know. Okay. I was like, screaming at the point somewhere. I was screaming, but I don't know who's screaming. I don't know why. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. When I was putting a rammer, I looked like everyone looked funny. Like, really funny. Like, you see the belt? It looked like a tail, because it was like that, those, what do you call it? It's like a belt, what is it called? I don't know what they call it, but you get what I'm saying. You don't. Okay. Anyways, let's move to the next one. And number 8, the hardest of all. So, I know how to do it. When you get lower, you have to hold the upper rope and then go full. And once that gets too high, you gotta hold that rope which you're holding. It's basically like a Minecraft. It's like you're holding a torch, you're getting through the world, but there's nowhere yet to hold except like this. And I think those last adventure rope activities, soft ones. Now we're going to different ones. Like you see this in the background, this rope. We can go climb those. And you see the ladder and those ropes. You see, we're gonna be attached to that. And guess what? Those ladder, like those FBI memes, like they tell bounce to the door. Because the FBI opened up, they bounce to the door, come to the ceilings, they crash through the ceilings. Yup, we're doing that, but without crashing through the ceiling. And no FBI thingies. Except we're just gonna go down, like a secret mission, I was like, whoa, I fell down. I didn't fall down though. And we're gonna jump off. No. Like last time, there was no zip lines here, so we were like very sad. This is number 9. And the last one. And look at it, we're coming. I'll tell you what I meant by crashing through the ceiling. Okay, if you understand, please don't question me. Okay, now watch us. Way, they actually did this with so much speed and power and energy that they literally broke the ceiling. And there was no one there, so it wasn't funny at all. I mean, the crashing through the ceiling was funny for me. And this is me climbing up. When I jump down, I'm gonna be like, whoa, up the FBI man. Like that. Get up. Oh, get out of the rope. Oh, I have to take another step. Good. Okay, get down, guys. Woo! And yeah, as well. And I can see who this is. This is me. That is not me. And you see the same thing like last time, but you have to climb it. This is me. The sun background makes you think that we're in Thailand somewhere, but no, this is India and in Ooty. Okay. Like, get up, FBI! We're going downstairs! We're rapping down the today, guys! Yeah! is good, strong day. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.